throughout the years, time and time again, Neil has proven that he's one of the best people that you could really pour out your problems to and rely on when you need help. So, Neil, on your 50th birthday, happy birthday. Gaya ng sinabi ng mga ibang kasama dito, welcome to the club. Welcome to Club 50. Ayun, so I'm looking forward to another 50 more years of friendship with you. Happy birthday, Neil.
Meron siyang ginintuang puso. Napakabait na tao. Wala akong masabi. Pagmahal. Hindi siya nawala sa pamilya ko. Hindi siya nawala sa buhay ko. Ups and downs. Lagi siya nandyan. Happy birthday, Tol. Mahal na mahal kita. Lagi ako nandito para sa lagi mong tatandaan. Kagaya ng kung paano ka sa pamilya ko, paano ka sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita, Tol. Happy birthday. Love you, Tol.
Si Neil sensitive. Pero sensitive in a very positive way. Tol, happy 50th birthday at welcome to the club. Huwag kang mag-alala, masaya maging 50s. Saka, alagaan mo yung health mo. Yun ang laging concern namin mga kaibigan mo sa'yo.
Siya yung tipong tao na kahit hindi ka niya nakikita o malayo ka man din, mahahanap ka niya kahit lalo na pagdating niya. Alam mo may problema ka at alam niya may kailangan niya ng tulong o may tatanungin ka sa kanya, dumarating yan at pipilitin ka niya. So, kaya sinabi, para siyang professor din eh. Kaya sinabi ko binocular kasi kahit malayo, wala ka talaga hahanap, makikita ka niya at bibigyan ka ng mga magandang salita at saka kasama. Ito yung sinabi ni Jerome kanina na kakampi. So, more than kapatid pa yan eh.
Neil, happy birthday. Sana mas maging masaya ka at maging matagumpay sa mga gusto mo pang gawin sa buhay. Alam natin yung mga gusto nating aspirations natin, kung ano natin ang mga gusto nating marating. Wish you the best, my brother. You're the brother that I never had. Mas mahaba pang panahon ng pagsasama. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, my brother.
Salamat at nakakilala kita. Isa kang mabait na direktor at ang mabait na kaibigan. Happy birthday sa'yo, Direk.
A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful.
C, you're so cute and full of charm.
Yun lang. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday. I hope mas humaba pa yung life mo and mas marami pa tayong bonding. I love you so much and I miss you always.
Kung may isang salita na would best describe Tatay Neil, it would be mabuti. Kasi, naiyak ako. Kasi wala akong ibang taong nakilala na kasing buti ng puso niya. Isa siya sa mga pinakamabuting taong nakilala ko.
You're very affectionate. And I'm just really grateful that you became part of my life. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga araw na I was at my lowest. You were there for me. You became a father figure to me when I didn't have any parents who would guide me.
So, happy birthday. Like I said, I'm very grateful for you. And I hope and I pray that God will bless you with health, wealth, and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ninong Boyet. I hope you have a nice day at New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Ninong Boyet.
Thank you for always taking care of us.
We love you.
Mwah! Sana matupad lahat ang wish mo and many birthdays to come para long life. Happy na. Ingat dyan. Love you.
See you sa tayo magkasama. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Mahal kita, alam mo yan.
beses. Ayaw niya ng party. For his 50th, ang request niya lang talaga is mag-celebrate ng tahimik at mag-New Zealand. Well, sorry, hindi ko kayang ibigay sa'yo yun. Kasi I feel like kailangan makapag-celebrate ka kasama yung family, loved ones, friends dito sa Pinas. So, gusto kitang i-share sa kanila. Ayoko na tayo lang yung magse-celebrate ng 50th birthday mo dahil I know itong mga taong kasama natin ngayon, malaking part sila ng buhay mo.
Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Patunay na lahat kami dumayo sa malayong bayan ng Fairview, Caloocan. Para sa'yo, maraming salamat sa buhay mo. Pinagdadasal kita lagi. Tsaka, magpaka-healthy ka na please for next 50 more years.
Happiest birthday to you, Papa. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with joy and love. Always know that I will always be here for you and you will always be kept close to my heart. Love you.
Salamat ako sa Panginoon at ibinigay ka sa amin na parte ng aming pamilya. Nagpapasalamat din ako na mabuti kang asawa. Sana kung si April napaka-responsable, kapagmahal at maalalahan. Hindi lang kay April, pati sa aming pamilya.
Why, Tol? Because you're a friend, a brother to everyone, and yung pagiging down-to-earth mo, so another description yun. Down-to-earth sa lahat, sa kahit ano man yung nararating mo, very down-to-earth ka.
Mabait na kaibigan, mapagbigay, sobrang mapagbigay, maalalahanin, and sobrang caring talaga. So, kapag kailangan mo na isang kapatid, ito.
Iiyak ka, birthday mo.
Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health always. Stay happy and enjoy life. We love you.
Our perceptive, witty, and thoughtful uncle. Ninong Boyet, happy birthday. May have many more to come. Keep safe always. We love you.
Sobrang bait niya ni Tol, hindi nagagalit.
Mag-alaga yan. Alam ko yan.
Ang hirap i-describe ka in one word, Tol. Kasi ang dami kong magagandang words na pwedeng i-describe sa'yo. So, yun, Tol. Happy birthday to you. I love you. You know that. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And thank you for the love. Kasi ikaw sobrang maalaga mo nga. Yun nga sabi ko kanina. And talagang hindi ka nakakalimot talaga. We love you, Tol. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We will always be here for you.
Ma, happy 50th birthday. I hope nagustuhan or magustuhan mo tong surprise namin sa'yo. Naiyak na bigla. Well, ayoko umiyak, pero gusto ko lang maging happy ka lagi. And of course, yung health mo. Alagaan mo lagi yung health mo kasi gusto kong magkasama pa tayo. Masayahin siyang tao. So, kung meron siyang mga problems, kami, or may mga trials, hindi naman yung naiiwasan, pero nagpapaka-strong siya. Of course, nagpapray, pero hindi niya yung tipong sobrang tibid-tibid. Kasi, for him naman, lahat ng bagay solusyon or nangyayari for a reason. Pero I think kaya hindi siya mukhang 50 years old kasi sobrang jolly niya. Lagi siyang masaya. Well, basta nakikita ko lang na magkasama kami together. Kung ano man yung ibibigay ni God sa amin, well, lahat tatanggapin namin. Kung ano yung hindi, it's okay. Basta siya lang sapat na wow.
Masaya kami dahil dito mo napili mag-celebrate ng 50th birthday mo. So, hindi lang ako masaya, lahat kami sobrang happy dahil nag-spend ka ng time sa amin kasama syempre si Ali. So, I'm really grateful.
You are a blessing. Hindi ka lang blessing for me, a blessing as a son, as a brother, a cousin, a friend, a husband. You are a blessing to so many people. A friend, tol, lahat na.
Sunset. Sunset kasi at the end of a very long day, kahit anong nangyari dun sa araw na yun, sunsets are beautiful and yun yung mga nililook forward ng mga tao.
Tatay. Kasi from the very start pa lang, nung nag-born na pa, alam na namin na ikaw yung second daddy namin.
Loving. Kasi palaging po kayo loving pa akin at sa lahat ko. Love you.
Thank you for, again, choosing us, for being here. So, it's an honor. Kuya, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko laging nasasabi ng ganon, pero I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Masarap siyang kaibigan. Dahil kapag mahal ng kaibigan niya, mahal din niya.
Napaka-loving person mo, Kuya Boyet. Napaka-swerte naming family.
Happy birthday, Kuya Neil. Thank you for being a big brother to me that I never had. Love you.
The more it gets dark, I'm gonna give you my heart.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain kung gaano ako ka-bless to have you as my mom. And hindi ko ma-describe kung gaano kita kamahal. So, yung mga magsasamit ko sa'yo, lambing yan, ma. So, ngayong 50th birthday mo, I hope madagdagan ka pa ng another 50 years na magkasama tayo. I love you and I'm always here for you. Happy birthday and enjoy!